Welcome back to my channel, everybody. Chris Gault here, Healthy Living with Chris Gault, and we are on week 6 of our vlog, living it up healthy in Cali. Now we're spending the first couple of days still in Maryland, but then we will be back in Cali and living it up there and having fun. So stay tuned. Well, we got a little bit of a traffic jam here because we just had a bunch of geese. There's some of them were over there. Walk by the car, but we're gonna get through before all those guys walk. So I mean, that is anyway. That's a lot of geese walking across the street right now. Well, we're on the way back to the airport to go back to San Diego, and not sure what's going on here, but must be some sort of fire or something going on. You got the hoses broken out, but I don't see the fire.
Back in your seat back pocket has the information. All your carry-on items are underneath the seats in front of you or in the...
Goodbye for now, Maryland, but I will be back. I was able to get a little bit of work done while I was on the plane because I had 5 hours to kill. Ah, San Diego. Almost home. I still have a drive after this though, but almost there. Another perfect landing. Home sweet home. Only in California would you have all this construction going on at 11:30 at night. It's causing a 6-lane highway to go down to 1 lane. At least we're moving now because it was stopped. Backed up a bit, but we're on. It looks like we're at least moving now. Well, I'm glad to be back in California. I can tell you that. I don't have anything against Maryland. I love Maryland. It's a great state, but you know, at the end of January, it's typically in the 30s, and it's a whopping 79 degrees here in Oceanside, California. So I'm enjoying this. Say it's fantastic to live right off the Pacific Coast Highway. There's just like so much stuff going on. The Pacific Coast Highway, as you know, goes all the way up the West Coast, so we have driven it before all the way up to Northern California, Napa Valley, and all that, in Sonoma County, and now we live right off it, so we can actually walk here. Walk our dog on it, right, Snickers? She's enjoying it too, and it's fantastic. There's just like restaurants and shops, and then the beach is right about a block away. And there are times when the Pacific Coast Highway actually goes right up to the beach, and you get some incredible views. So I'm really feeling blessed that we actually live right on this road. It's incredible. All right, so glad to be back in California and running. It's a beautiful day out, 79 degrees, sunny. It's like I'm running shorts. That beats the weather back in Maryland. So, you know, I love Maryland, but I really am enjoying this run here today. day at the beach today. It's hard to believe this is February 1st and it's like 75 degrees out here. I'm liking that, and surfers are out. Looks like the waves are pretty good. It's very active here. A lot of runners, a lot of bikers. Another fantastic day at the beach. I'm not sure if you could see it from here, but there's a paddle boarder out there just taking the waves in stride. That takes some guts when you're in the ocean. That's some pretty big waves and you're just paddle bordering over the waves. You're doing a pretty good job. Fantastic sunset at the beach. I get to see this every day. I really do feel blessed that I live at this beach. It's pretty incredible. All right, so that's a wrap. Week 6 is officially over. Stay tuned for week 7 next week. I hope you enjoyed the video, and leave in the comments below too. We do live on the West Coast. Obviously, as you know, in Southern California, if there's any places that you'd like us to visit and to video, let us know, and we'll do our best to get there and video it. There's just a lot of fantastic places on this coast, and so just let us know and we'll do it. And I will see you in the next video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button, and also please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.